Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Gary here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright guys, so we only using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts. We only using one for guys just starting, guys just trying it out, and I want to show y'all what you can do with just straight up minimum effort. Alright guys, showing you those type of results. So interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, what we're gonna do is to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in particular, and that's because it's affiliate system. It's affiliate system is 80% recurring income. That means you get paid every single month that somebody stay in the system. So each sale is like multiple sales when they stay in the system. Most of my sales are resales at this point. Most of the sales I get now are from people who have been in the system for a while. So, you know, I don't get many new, I actually don't even get many new sales anymore, but I still make a lot of money, you know, because I'm getting people in the system. People are staying in the system. All right, guys. So anyway, this is what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna refresh the page to see the results. All right, guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. That's totally fine, not a big deal. This is so anyway, guys, what I want to do first is show y'all guys how to get this affiliate links here for you guys. All right, so it's a very simple method. I just show you guys exactly what to do here. So you just want to go to my video right on YouTube here. If you're watching my video right now, you just scroll down and click on opening up the descriptions here. You're gonna see step 1 and step 2. What you want to click on is the $25 one business, this link here. You want to click on that. They're gonna take you to this page here. They'll take you to this page here, basically explaining the $25 business in more detail, telling you how much money you can make, stuff like that, right? You decide you want to try it, click on one of your green buttons and say yes, I want in, and yeah, you can put in your information and purchase the $25 business. I recommend clicking this as well. Now let's speak about this real quick. This is right here is HBA Premium. All right, it teaches you how to set up ads and stuff to get sales. Okay, and constantly updated. Also has a content machine as well that just gives you whatever you want. Like say you want an article or whatever it may be, I'll give it to you. But either that's neither here nor there. All right, guys. The main reason that you want this product is because of this one particular thing. You have to own the product to get commissions from it. All right, guys. So somebody else come through here. Let's say you don't get this, right? And somebody else you just get the $25 business here. And let's say that you get somebody in the system and they decide they want this. All right? So what's gonna happen is they purchase this, you will get $20 from the $25, but you will not get $100 from the $125. All right, guys? So you need to have the product to get commissions from it. That's how they're able to pay us so much. But once you get past that hurdle at the beginning, it's all just free money. So anyway, guys, we're gonna log in here. It's gonna take you to this page, by the way. It's gonna take you to this page eventually, and you're gonna log in to your HBA page here, and you're gonna get to a page look something like this. And what you want to do is click on the affiliate zone. We already there. By the way, this video is explaining every single step. I'm just speed through in it. All right, so you want to sign up for the affiliate program here. It's going to take you to this page here. Very simple information you put in there, and then you just sign in, and then you log into the SAM cart. It's going to take you to this page here, and that's when you get your affiliate links. You got them all now. All right, guys, you got all your affiliate links. This is the one I particularly use, the all-in-one $25 business. That's the one I've been using. Been working for me. You could try other ones if you want. That's the one I've been using. All right, guys, so once you do that, you're gonna come back to my video here, you're gonna see step 2, say my lead gen secrets. You want to click on that. It's gonna take you to this page here. Once you're on this page here, guys, this is the my lead gen secrets page. A very simple method of making money online here. So basically what the my lead gen secrets system is that you get 100 leads every single day that you can mail once per day. All right, that's the catch. You can only mail them once a day, which is plenty. You don't want to mail people more than once a day anyway, because you annoy them. So once a day, even some people only like you know, maybe like once a week or something like that. So this is a very good way to do it. So you just want to log in, like iDigi Affiliate. All right, want to log in. I'm logging in on my account. It's gonna make you an account. It's very simple, very simple process. You get your leads. You can check your leads if you wish to. You can go for you can buy some master email swipes if you want to. I'm gonna show you my swipe that I'm gonna use. I just show them every time I do these. So you should have a ton of swipes by now if you've been keeping up with this system here. You should have all my swipes. But I'm gonna just show them every time, just in case you're new and you're just not signing in and stuff. So anyway, you want to click on the mailing system here, and then we're gonna select all here, and we're gonna just go to our next email here. Well, we can money keep coming. This is the one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this one, guys. Just pause the video, copy the subject, and you just pause the video and copy the whole email. I'm gonna show it the whole email for you real quick. Just pause the video and I'll show you the whole email. All right. That's about it. That's the whole email there. You want to put your link right here, guys. You slap your link in there, use the link button here. Very simple process. And you click on perfect timing. What that does, send an email around time. People check their emails. You want to hit preview as well, just to make sure your link works. If your link works and mine does, you're done here, and you just send an email, and that's it, guys. That's all you need to do. And basically this the only step you really need to do. Once you do that and get a lot of emails in the system, you just log in, send the email, boom, you're done, and you get some sales. Now once you get a couple of sales at the beginning there, you're good to go. Like, you're making a lot of money. But anyway, guys, that's all it is, guys. I'm sorry for not posting for the last, I say, 2 days. I think I've been gone, but I'm back now. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.